Alright, today we got the Caddy. So, 2016 Cadillac ATS. This one happens to be the all-wheel drive 2.0 turbo. I'm going to show you how to change the front struts. So it's going to be the same for the passenger, driver side, same process. This one's the 2.0. It might be the same for the 3.5 and just a regular two-wheel drive. I'm not really sure, but let's do it. So we're going to start on the passenger side. It's going to be the same exact thing for the other side, but let's start with this one. Before you get into it, let's check it out. Let's see what we need. So first, we're going to have to take off these two right here. This one's just a little clip. From the back, you go like this. It pops out, and then you just take off the cable. This one's going to be a 10 mil right there. I believe this one right here in the back is going to be an 18. And then right here in the front, this is going to be a 24. That way you are going to spin this one off, and then you're going to hold it with this one. I think it's a 21, but we'll come back to it. So first, start with the small stuff though, like these things right here in the back. Start with that, and then leaves the two big ones for last. So the next step is going to be to take off this right here. That's the stabilizer link. This is plastic. I've never really seen it made out of plastic. They're usually metal, but this one's plastic. Let's take it off. So the nut right here for the stabilizer bar is going to be an 18, but there's no way you could do anything how it is right now. So just grab the whole thing, twist it around, and it should give you, it's a little heavy, and it should give you enough clearance to actually take it off right there. So we're going to need some of these hex bit sockets right here, hex bit socket. It's going to be the number, what is this? The number 6. So you're going to put it right here in the middle. It has a hole, that's what it's for. And then you're going to get your 18, and you're going to hold it from here from the bottom. So you're going to be holding it like I said. You get this one, you put it in here, and then you're going to twist this one and just hold it with this one like this. And there you go. It's pretty much loose at this point. Take it off with your hands and pop it out. You got your 24 millimeter socket right here. You got your 21 mil right here. So you're going to grab it from here, and then you're going to take off the bolt from here like this. And then you're going to do the same thing for the one in the bottom. I already took the one on the top. Now let's take out the one on the bottom. Just give it a few whacks, nothing crazy. There you go, it's loose. You see that? Came out. So the bottom bolt is still on, so that's what's hanging everything right here. Once you take it off, it's gonna fall down, but it's not gonna fall all the way down because it's held down by the little control arm, the axle. So check this out. Wiggle it out. It came out, but you see how it's still holding on? Now we just gotta do the top from this. So now that it's nice and loose from the bottom, we got to take it off from the top. Thankfully, it's just right here. Usually it's behind the, right here, you got to take off the plastic, but Cadillac made it very easy. It's going to be 1, 2, 3 bolts, and it's going to have this one in the middle. Let me show you what the sizes are. So the ones at the outside are going to be right here, 13. Pretty easy, 13 millimeters. But the one in the middle, again, we're going to need our set of hex bit sockets right here. What size is it? This is a big one, though. This is going to be, it says a number 12 on it. So this one, you're going to put right here in the middle, like this, and then you're going to twist it up. Just make sure the brake line and the speed sensor is out of the way. Last bolt up here. Hold it from the bottom, a few turns, there it is, it's off. So we got the new Strut right here, and then we got the old one. They look pretty much the same. Actually, they look exactly the same. On this one, at least, you have to take off this plastic right here. Just get a screwdriver, pop this out, and then pop it back in right here, because that's where the speed sensor goes. So check this out. You see the top of the strut? On this one, it actually spins. So it makes it pretty easy to put in. You're gonna see these little dots right here. This one's sticking out, and this one. And then you're gonna line them up It's right here and right here. So pretty much, once you put it in, you can still twist it on top a little bit. Just make sure to line it up. And then it should fall into the holes. Everything should fit tight. So right now it's still loose, but we got the guides in. This is what I'm talking about. So this one right here and this one right here. These are your guides. Once you put it on, you can still move it back and forth. This one's still kind of loose, so we still gotta tighten these three up, and then we're gonna torque this one right here last on the top. So right now it's still loose from the top. You can still move it around. Now you're gonna line up this with this. You can try to put the bolts. I like to get a screwdriver though and line it up like this. I don't have to put it exactly 100% right now. Put your screwdriver and now it's holding on. So now when you try to put your bolts, it's gonna be easier to move this like up and down, sideways. But as of right now, it's already holding kind of. So we're on the passenger side. Remember, the bolt's gonna go this way and then that's gonna go on this side. Not the other way, because that's how we took them off. And then you're gonna spin this one. You see these teeth right here? You don't spin these. You're gonna spin the nut into position like this. And then once you do that, it's just gonna go close itself right there. Alright, the strut is held onto the knuckle. These are tight, the front and the bottom. So now we really gotta do is everything in reverse, which is only a few more things like this right here, the stabilizer bar, the plastic one. And then we still got the, actually we'll just do this right now. The speed sensor, put it back into place. Let me see. Put it back into place right here. Remember to switch this little plastic from the old one to the new one. Close it, and then we're gonna put the 10 right here, and that's pretty much it. Alright, struts are done in the Caddy, both in the front. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more automotive content.